My name is Cheyenne, but you guys can call me Shy. So, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I feel like I have not gotten on here in a long time, you guys. And so we're gonna be chit-chatting while we put these groceries up and clean up the kitchen, you guys. I said, no, I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna clean up. That probably sounds bad, but no. I said, I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna clean up until like, I need to just record something, right? As you guys know, they always say like, everything is content, right? So I made sure that happened today. I got my groceries ordered earlier and got mail everywhere, dog food, clean dishes. And so let's clean up, y'all. Hopefully my dress not too short for this freaking camera. But yeah, let's start. And hopefully you guys can hear me. I feel like I might need a mic, you know. So yeah, let's start with the cleaning up portion. Ready?
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be. Yeah. Are you gonna be? 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 Well. Still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be. Yeah. Are you gonna be? 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 Well. Still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Still in love, so in love, still in love.
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Oh, yeah.
Jerome Fandle.
Run fast from a day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I paid enough of petty dues. I put enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh. Today, then yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. God, these broken clouds. I ain't got no time, just burning their life. Still love and still love, and you still love and still love. Still love, still love, still love, still love. Nothing is talking a lot. Sorry, I'm faded. Think I forgot. You love me. You love me. You love me. Gotta shift to 10 a.m. Gotta dip at 10 p.m. Gotta get that cash. Won't get past the lunch break. I ain't had a smoke break in about 2 days. No break. Been about 3 years since I dated you. Why you still talking about me like we together? I moved on for the better. You moved on to whoever. I was down for whatever, and then some. You gon' make me late to work again. Ooh, better today than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. God is these broken clouds. I ain't got no time, just burning their life. Still love and still love and still love and still love, still love, still love and still love and still love. Nothing but love for you, nothing but love.